You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to the Basilica de la Sagrada Família, Barcelona's most iconic landmark and one of the most extraordinary churches in the world. Construction began in 1882, and just 1 year later, visionary architect Antoni Gaudí took over, transforming it into a masterpiece of Catalan modernism. Inspired by nature, Gaudí designed towering columns like tree trunks and facades filled with biblical symbolism. Although Gaudí devoted the final years of his life entirely to this project, he died in 1926 with the basilica far from complete. More than a century later, construction continues using Gaudí's original plans and modern technology. Today, the Sagrada Família stands as a symbol of faith, innovation, and Barcelona's creative spirit, an unfinished dream that continues to captivate the world. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Spain and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.